The Gardener's HQ Guide to Sprouting Mung Beans. Mung beans, Vigna radiata, are commonly grown sprouts. They are closely related to plants such as chickpea and broad beans. Sprouts are rich in bioavailable vitamins, minerals, proteins, amino acids, phytochemicals and energy. Mung beans can be grown indoors at home as sprouts or outside for the beans. This guide is for bean sprouting. See the Gardener's HQ site for details of growing mung beans outdoors in your garden. Mung beans are usually green or brown, and they're about half the size of a soybean. When grown outside to an adult size, the appearance of mung beans is pretty much like garden beans. They can grow up to 2 to 3 feet in height. Indoor planting for sprouting. If you are sprouting mung beans for cooking, then follow this simple procedure. Take about half the quantity of beans that you need, as it will double in size when they sprout. Wash in cold water and let it run clear. After draining, place in a bowl and let immerse. Use about 2.5 times the volume of liquid to beans. Soak overnight for about 10 to 12 hours. Then you drain them, rinse with water again and then drain again. Put the mung beans in a jar or container and cover the lid with a light cloth. Place the jar container in a dimly lit part of the kitchen, preferably out of direct sunlight. Repeat the rinse and drain cycle 2 times a day. It's probably easiest to do first thing in the morning and then late in the evening before you go to bed. You should see small sprouts appear after a couple of days. Or if you prefer longer sprouts, this will take about 5 days. Have fun in the garden and please like and subscribe. GardenersHQ.